Welcome back to the Home Bartender, everybody. I was looking for a Tiki Type cocktail that had tequila in it because I love those, and was flipping through the Easy Tiki Book by Chloe Franquette and found this cocktail. The cocktail was created by Chris Vangerginst at the Mutiny Bar in Detroit. This is a privateer cocktail. It fits my perimeters, so I'll show you how to make it and give you my impression and the ingredients coming up next. You will need 1.5 ounces of tequila, 3/4 of an ounce of passion fruit syrup, 3/4 of an ounce of pineapple juice, 1/2 ounce of lime juice, a pinch of salt, and today we're going to garnish with a flamed rosemary sprig. All right, let's mix this one so we can taste it. I'll start off with 3/4 of an ounce of passion fruit syrup, 1/2 ounce of lime juice. Don't forget that I do have a video for the passion fruit syrup, how to make that. It's a quick one. It's easy to make. Then we'll have 3/4 of an ounce of pineapple juice, 1.5 ounces of tequila. Let's get some ice in here and mix this up. Actually, first I'm going to put a pinch of salt in there. Now the ice. Let's mix this up, shake it up, and get it into the glass. We're going to top it off with a bunch of ice. I'm going to get my Surfside sips in there. I'm going to move this aside for a second, get my ice out of the way. I'm going to just flame this piece of rosemary. That's our garnish. It's going to go over the top. Get it good and smoky, and then it's going right into the cocktail here. That's a privateer. I just love the presentation here with that rosemary that was smoking on the top. It's really great. If you got this in a restaurant or you had it at a friend's home bar, I think you would be really super impressed. Obviously, you get the burnt rosemary right off the top, but let me try it real quick. Oh, it's super refreshing. The rosemary adds a nice herbal smoky note, and it plays so well with the tequila. And of course, you can smell that tequila right out of the gate, and the rosemary and tequila together are wonderful. For those of you who don't like tequila, or at least think that you don't like tequila, this is a great cocktail for you, actually. Maybe it's just me, but the tequila is barely there. Like, I do get a little bit of it, but I can barely detect that because the passion fruit is tart and it doesn't linger anywhere for very long. It's not super, super tart, but it does mask the flavor of the tequila. Also, I used a Reposado tequila, which is warmer and sweeter than a silver tequila. This tequila does have a sweeter profile that I used. It's really subtle. The next layer comes with the sweetness of pineapple, and pineapple is always king to me in a cocktail. I love the natural sweetness that it brings to any cocktail. The actual cocktail has an herbal quality that I didn't quite expect. The use of tequila instead of rum is a really nice change. It ends up having a more earthy quality than if you use rum, and that's an interesting drink, I think. I don't know about you, but tell me in the comments, have you had the privateer? Do you like it? Does it seem like an interesting cocktail to you? What are your thoughts on the tequila options? Talk to me in the comments. Let's get together right here next week for another cocktail tutorial. Until then, we'll see you next week. Be well.